Hi, boys and girls. You know, yesterday we read, or today, I'm sorry, we read the book, How Many Seeds in a Pumpkin? And if you remember from the story, the kids made a lot of guesses. And their guesses were very, very wild and different. You know, some said just 15, some said 1,000,000. But then at the end of the story, it ended up where one group had 340. The largest pumpkin had 340 seeds. The middle-sized pumpkin, the medium one, had 316. And the smallest one had 350 seeds. So today, I want you guys to tell me how many seeds you think are in our class pumpkin. I'm going to be carving it today. So how many seeds do you think are in this pumpkin? Oh, it's a very heavy pumpkin. And remember that in the story, they said that there were more seeds, the more ribs there were, and the darker orange. This is a pretty dark orange pumpkin. We learned that the longer a pumpkin stays on the vine, the more ribs it will have, and therefore, and it'll also be a darker orange, so it'll have more seeds. Now, you're making what is called an estimate. Sometimes we estimate what a number is. You know, if I were going to the store and I was trying to decide how many cans of vegetables I needed to buy for a family of 7, I would make an estimate. Well, I think, you know, 1 can will feed about 2 to 3 people. So if I have 7 people, I need to have about 3 cans. I'm making an estimate. It's not a wild guess like 1,000,000. That's kind of a wild guess. 1,000,000's way too many. I don't even know if 1,000,000 seeds would fit inside this pumpkin. So that's called a wild guess. An estimate is an educated guess. You take what you know and you use your brain to think of an answer that makes sense. So below this video there is it's called a quiz, but it's just asking you to enter how many seeds you think are in this pumpkin. I want you to use what you know from hearing our story and also from looking at this giant pumpkin. It's bigger than my head. I'll hold it close so you can see how many ribs there are. And now I want you to go below and enter your estimate. I'm going to record your estimates on my poster here. And then we're going to count. Over the next few days, we're going to count and figure out how many seeds were really in that pumpkin. Have a good day. Bye.